In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use GoHighLevel's email marketing system to send better campaigns, segment your audience, and automate your follow-ups. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if you're a coach, consultant, or service provider, email marketing is one of the best ways to stay connected with your audience. Social media algorithms change all the time, and you do not own those platforms. But when someone joins your email list, that relationship is yours. GoHighLevel makes it simple to collect email addresses, organize your audience, and send targeted emails that actually feel personal instead of generic. Let's start off with the basics. What is GoHighLevel? GoHighLevel is an all-in-one CRM platform. It was built to combine everything a service-based business usually manages in separate tools. Instead of using one system for contacts, another for email, another for funnels, and yet another for scheduling, you can run all of those pieces from one dashboard. For this tutorial, we're focusing specifically on the email marketing side of GoHighLevel. The email tool allows you to send one-time broadcasts, build automated sequences, create smart lists that update automatically, and track how your audience interacts with your messages. This key difference between GoHighLevel and many standalone email tools is that everything you send is directly tied to your CRM. That means every email you send connects to a real contact record that also tracks calls, bookings, tags, and automations. Now, let's dive into some of the key features of the email automation. The email marketing system inside GoHighLevel is powerful because it connects directly to your contact database. This makes it super easy to personalize your campaigns and send the right message to the right person. You can send one-time emails when you have an announcement or promotion, or you can create automated sequences that run in the background whenever someone takes an action, like filling out a form or booking a call. GoHighLevel also makes segmentation simple. Instead of treating your lists as one big group, you can divide them into smaller segments based on tags, custom fields, or even behavior. For example, you could send one type of email to people who signed up for a free webinar and a completely different email to people who already purchased one of your programs. This makes your communication more relevant and increases the chances that people will open, click, and respond. Another benefit is that the platform gives you a drag and drop email builder, so you don't need to know code. You can create professional looking emails with your branding, logo, and colors in just a few minutes. Once that campaign is ready, you can also track performance directly inside the dashboard to see who opened, who clicked, and what actions they actually took afterward. It's such a powerful all-in-one platform. Now, let's get into step-by-step how to actually use this. So what you're going to want to do first is get signed up with our extended 30-day free trial by using our link down in the description below. Once you click that link, you can go ahead and click start an extended free trial, and you'll just enter in your company name, full name, email address, phone number, and then you will have to put in your credit card information, but again, you will not be charged until the 30-day free trial is up. Once you are logged in, this is what your launchpad looks like. So it kind of helps you set up from a foundational standpoint. You can follow this if you would like, but again, since we're focusing on the email management section, we're going to go over there. But just so you're aware, we've got dashboard, conversations, calendars, contacts, opportunities, payments, AI agents, marketing, automation, sites. So this is your navigation menu. Step number one is to add contacts to your actual list. So in GoHighLevel, you can add contacts in several ways. You can create an opt-in form and embed them on your website or landing pages. You can add pop-ups to capture emails in exchange for a free resource, or you can import a list from another platform if you already have one. This step is really important because your list is the foundation of your email marketing. Without a list, you don't have anyone to actually send to. You can add them one by one by just entering everything in here. You can upload just contacts, or you can also add their opportunities. So depending on what stage of your pipeline they're in, you can do that as well. All you'll do is upload your file right here, and you'll want to make sure you map them correctly. Then all of your contacts will be imported. We're just going to add one more. Luna, it's my dog's name. Example. You can add phone number, and then you can put what contact type they are, if they're a lead or a customer. Then you can choose if you don't want to send to certain channels. Like if you don't want text messages, you can have them opt out of that. And then you can add the time zone if you would like. We'll go ahead and save. So this is where all the activity will show up. You also can assign an owner if you would like. So now we've got 2 contacts in here. Step number 2 is to organize your contacts with tags. So once your contacts are inside your account, the next step is to add tags. A tag is simply a label that helps you remember where a contact came from or what they're interested in. Tags are important because they allow you to send targeted emails later on. Instead of sending the same message to everyone, you can filter by tag and send only to people who will find find it relevant. What we can do is click add tags. You can put lead magnet, insert the name of the lead magnet. Because again, eventually you'll probably have multiple lead magnets and it's really important to see where they actually come from. So I would be as specific as possible. Then we can add tags. And as you can see, that is complete. So now we can see the tags pop up right here. They can also have multiple tags. Step number 3 is to create smart lists. So smart lists are dynamic groups of contacts that essentially update automatically. You can create rules such as anyone tagged as lead magnet, and the list will always update when new people meet that rule. For example, if 10 new people download your guide tomorrow, they will automatically be added to that smart list. That makes it really easy to send broadcasts to exactly the right group of people without worrying about mistakes. And you can manage your smart list right up here. Step number 4 is to design your email. So now that you have a list, you can create your first email. Inside GoHighLevel, you can use the drag and drop builder to add text, images, buttons, and dividers. You can choose from templates or create your own design. A simple professional design makes it easy for your audience to focus on your message. So now we're going to go ahead and go over to marketing. We'll go over to emails. We're going to go ahead and create a campaign. Here's some sample data analytics looks like. So let's do an email marketing template. So they've got a bunch right here that you can choose from. You also can create your own. If you want to start with something simple, you also can do that. So we'll just choose this template. Their drag and drop editor makes it super simple. You can upload your logo right here by just editing this. You can also change this image right here. You can go ahead and add your header right here. Of course, you can go ahead and update all the paragraphs. You can go ahead and add a call to action here by adding the URL. You can change this to be a mail, file, SMS, or anything else as well. If you want to add a second topic, of course, you can do that too, or you can just remove this altogether. You can, of course, edit the paragraphs, the fonts, the text, everything is completely customizable, and their drag and drop editor just makes it super easy. You can see what it will look like on mobile and what it'll look like on desktop. You can preview it right here, and then we'll go ahead and schedule. So to schedule, you'll want to make sure you add a sender email. You'll want to probably connect your domain, but just for example's sake, sender name, probably your name, or if you want it to be whatever your company is. And then you can select a smart list, choose contact from tags, a pre-built segment like contacts engaged in the last 7 days, subscribers unengaged. There's also built segments. So if you want to send it to that specific lead magnet, you can do that. You can go ahead and track clicks and add tags as well. And then you can also actually resend to people who didn't open your email. Then you'll just review and schedule and you are good to go. The next step is to add behavior-based paths. So inside your automation, you can actually add conditions so people receive different emails based on what they do. For example, if someone clicks on a link to book a call, you can stop sending them reminder emails and instead send them preparation materials. If someone doesn't click anything after a week, you can send them a different type of email that gives more value. We'll go ahead and go back. We'll go to automation. So what you can do is create workflow and you can build using AI. They also have a bunch of templates, but let's start with the AI because sometimes that works really well. So we're setting up some conditional formatting. Let's see if the AI can get that done for us. Now it has created this custom workflow for us. So contact created, it will send initial drip email with booking link, wait for booking link to be clicked or not. If it is clicked, then it will send a reminder email to contact who clicked the booking link. If it's timed out, it'll wait 3 days and then it will send value email number 1, wait a few days, value email number 2. So see how you can use this conditional formatting based on what your leads are actually doing and what your contacts are actually doing, whether they're clicking or not, whether they're reading the email or not. So again, this is so powerful because then you can create custom emails for them. And so it feels a lot more personal. So you can just save that, rename, etc. The last step is to track your results. So of course, after sending your campaigns, you should check your analytics. GoHighLevel shows you how many people opened your email, how many clicked on the links, and how many unsubscribed. These numbers tell you what is working and what's not. Tracking results is very important because it gives you feedback. Okay, so as I kind of pointed out before, you'll go ahead and go to emails. Right when you are in the email section, it will show you an overview of your analytics. So you can see all campaigns, you can see email campaigns, you can again see delivered, open, clicked, you can see bounce, unsubscribed, spam complaints, right? So you can track everything super easily. And then you can also see by email campaign. So you can see this is delivered, open rate, click rate, and whatever type it was. Before we wrap up, I wanted to talk about some pros and cons to make sure that you are aware if this is the right tool for you. So starting off with the pros, the main advantage of using GoHighLevel for email marketing is that everything is connected to your CRM. You're not managing contacts in one place and emails in another. Everything lives in one system, which makes personalization and segmentation so much easier. Another pro is the automation. Once you set it up, your emails just run in the background and continue to nurture your audience while you focus on your clients. A third pro is the smart lists. They keep your segments accurate and save you hours of manual work. Of course, there are some downsides. Because the platform does so much, it can definitely feel overwhelming at first. If you only need a very simple newsletter tool, GoHighLevel is probably way more than you need. There's also a learning curve when it comes to deliverability and making sure your emails land in the inbox instead of spam folder. And finally, because it's an all-in-one platform, you need to spend some time setting everything up on the front end, things like your domain authentication and compliance settings correctly. Just to touch on the different plans and pricing options so you're aware, so they do have a couple different options here. They've got the Starter, Unlimited, and SaaS Pro. The Starter plan is $97 a month. If you're using all of the tools, this is 1000% worth it. If you're just using email marketing, it may or not be worth it for you. But GoHighLevel is built to be an all-in-one platform, and you get unlimited contacts with even the Starter. So with the Starter, you get all the tools to capture leads, nurture and close leads into customers, full online booking, pipeline, social calendar, email, website, and more. And again, you get unlimited contacts, which for email marketing is honestly very, very rare. And you can set up 3 sub accounts as well. Next is the Unlimited plan, which is $297 a month. You get everything in the Starter, but you also get API access, unlimited sub accounts, and a branded desktop app. And then lastly is the SaaS Pro plan, which is $497 per month. You get everything that's in the Unlimited plan, but you get SaaS mode, the ability to set your own markup, and there's also rebilling available on Conversation AI. So again, you could always start with the Starter plan and then move up from there. But if it's just you and your own business, the Starter plan is more than enough. Email marketing still works when it's done well. The key is sending the right message to the right person at the right time. And GoHighLevel makes that possible by letting you collect contacts, segment them with tags and smart lists, and design professional emails and automate your follow-ups. I know email marketing can feel intimidating at first, especially if you're new to automation or have struggled with deliverability in the past. But with GoHighLevel, once you set up the basics, the system just does the heavy lifting for you. If you want to get started with GoHighLevel and their email marketing, don't forget to use our exclusive link down below so you can get signed up with an extended 30-day free trial. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free tutorials just like this. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you're not already. And of course, leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. This channel is here to help first-time website builders and service professionals like you learn the tools that make growth possible without the overwhelm. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.